Hey, it's thing number 1, and this is another random unboxing. This is where I'll be covering some unboxing of whatever shit I can find in my house. So this is the first episode. First one, it's a cheap knockoff earphone titled Color Tune. Well, let's unbox this piece of shit. Whatever. Wait, what's inside? Dun 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 dun. Eraser. What's the glass stuff? Free ear cushions and my ass. Anyway, so this is pretty much what you get. Got the earphones, of course, and you get free ear cushions. That's pretty much all you get. And let's just, alright. Ooh. It's kind of long, to tell you the truth. So, yeah, hope you like this random unboxing, and I'll see you sometime soon. Hasta la vista. See ya.